Hello again. So we're gonna start on some cooking today. All right, let me get my coffee pot or my kettle out of the way, my teapot, and my creamer put away from my coffee. My coffee was delicious, by the way. I have about that much left to drink. Okay, so we're gonna be doing all the things today. So what I'm going to be doing for the next few days is a pantry challenge because I'm not going to spend any more cash on food until my food money arrives. So, and we're going to hopefully budget a little better this month. Last month, you know, the holidays and everything, last 2 months, I tend to spend a little bit more on food, right? So now we need to put the brakes on, skirt. So we're going to be doing pantry challenge. Anything I have in my house I can eat or make. So we got a lot of, you know, that backup boxed stuff. So no baked cheesecake on the list to make. That's what we're going to start with. I'm not going to use the crust because I bought a crust for it. So I will use this at a later date. And then we have I think I said this in my coffee video as well. Honey cornbread. I'm going to add some applesauce to that to moisten it up. I'm going to make my husband some chewy fudge brownies. And I defrosted 6 pieces of French bread to make garlic parmesan French bread. And we are making spaghetti. And so I have the traditional, which I'll be adding can of paste, can of tomato sauce, some stewed tomatoes, and some seasonings, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, so we have all that ready to go as well. I think we're going to start on this first. This takes 1.5 cups of milk. So let's hope I have 1.5 cups of milk left. Which I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, so we're going to get a bowl. What is my red? Oh, I know where it is. It's in the freezer, holding ice, which is fine. So, and then we're going to need a mixer. I'm going to need a scraper and my beaters. I don't know why this one is. Oh, I do know why. Okay, I get it. That's fine. Oh, I'm not going to need that. I think my beater is down there. Excuse me for a minute. Okay. I got it. I got it. So it's very simple. The pack and 1.5 cups of milk. That's it. And beat it. Ooh, my goodness. That is on. I don't want that to be on right now. This is very old. And, you know, these older appliances, they just run forever. The reason the newer appliances don't run forever is because the company wants you to rebuy it sooner than later. This is a Black & Decker, I think. Yep, Black & Decker. And it is many, 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 many years old. It was my mother's. And I don't have, let's see, I probably have, what is that one? All the things have rubbed off of these, so I need to see. I have a 1/2 cup here. Yes, that's a 1/2 cup. And so we're going to use the cup that coincides with the black. All right. So 1.5 cups milk. Probably going to use up all my milk. And doing a pantry challenge might not be such a good idea, but we're doing it anyways. So there's one. And 1/2. This is is so easy. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna get the crust. Okay, so this is just a cheap graham cracker crust, and I am just making this as easy as possible, to be honest with you. But I looked it up, and you can freeze cheesecake, and you can freeze the no-bake cheesecake, so that's a good thing. So I will be cutting this up into slices and freezing some of it, so it doesn't go to waste. And then when I feel like a piece, take it out of the freezer, let it thaw, and it's good to go. I'm assuming it's powder in there. And you know what I think that also I'm going to do is add just a little bit of real cream cheese. Because look at the powder. The powder does came flying up. Woo. Calm down. Slow your roll there, powder. The whole top of the bowl is dusted with powder. I probably just inhaled a bunch of that shit. Alright, I think I have a half a block of cream cheese in here. Yes, I do. That will go very nicely in here. I'm going to go ahead and soften it real quick. I'll soften it, let it cool, and then we'll put it in. I don't know. Good idea, bad idea? I'm doing it, so it don't matter. I gotta wash my hands again. Again and again and again. I wash my hands so many times a day. And I put a hook here so I can hang a towel, so I'm not constantly using the paper ones to dry my hands. And it, the water went up my sleeves. Okay. We're just gonna put this in here for about maybe 10-15 seconds. I'm gonna start mixing this. Beat it for low for 30 seconds or a medium for 3 minutes. What? Oh, then on, okay, then on medium. 3 minutes. Could be ruining it. I don't know. I hope not. I hope it'll make it creamier. I always change things. Always change things. I think this is fine. It doesn't look like the milk is curdling or anything. It's thickening quite nicely. One more minute. good. Yeah, buddy. I don't know what's in that package, but it sure smells delicious. Well, it's very nice and thick. And in the refrigerator, we're cooking it some more. Because it says refrigerate 1 hour. Almost there. Couple more seconds. Oh, get out of there. Let's see. That's good. Of course I am. No eggs. Salmonella? Nope. Not here. It's very good. It's going to be even better after it sets. So now we take it, so easy, and we just scoop it right into that pie crust. We didn't even have to make the pie crust because I bought it. See how nice and thick it is? Yeah, that is very nice and thick. Nice and thick. That's going to be good. Can't believe my husband doesn't like cheesecake. You know, to be honest, I don't think he's ever tried it. I really don't. Because I think he would like it if he tried it. And if you haven't tried something for a long time, you should try it again. Taste buds change as you grow and mature. And so I didn't even like avocados till I was like 27. And now I love them. So, especially guacamole. I like avocado toast. So my sister was making some, my next oldest to me sister was making some avocado toast. And I said, well, that's interesting. What is it? She goes, avocado, try it. And I said, I don't like avocado. She goes, come on, just try it. I said, okay. So I reluctantly try it. And oh my God, I like avocados. That's how that happened. So if you haven't tried something for a long time, I mean, if it's something that you're just like, there's no way I'll ever like it. Okay, fine. But got a little bit too much on that side and not enough on that side. I'm just going to get this hopefully evenly spread out and looking fine. Okay, don't do that, Lisa. Getting them graham crackers in it. Just want it up to the edge, which we are there. Okay, a little bit right there. I got a little bit of graham cracker right on the top, unfortunately. I could take it out, but all right, I'm going to take some of it out. This is so good. Unbelievably delicious. Sweetie, you cannot have any cheesecake. I'm sorry. Besides, I can't even have any right now. I gotta wait an hour, which is fine. I'm just taking out little pieces of crust that I broke off and mixed in by accident. Which it really doesn't matter. I'm just a weird person that kind of anal with things. Okay, so that looks good. Let's see what kind of, I don't know. Now it's all messy again. Try it again. Oh, I'm the only one that's going to be eating this. Or maybe my husband will take a bite, but he doesn't mind my germs. We exchange germs every day. So there's that. I'm going to try to clean as I go today because I'm doing multiple dishes. So That is ready to go in the refrigerator. Yay. Whoa! Did you see that thing go out? I had it all the way up and it took itself down when I turned the water on really high. All right, let me make a flat spot. Yeah, that'll be good now. Got a big enough spot there. That's a big enough spot there. Okay. So I can just put all the dirty dishes in there and clean them. When I get done. Is this supposed to go over the top of it, maybe? I don't like the little plastic stuff. Holds the paper down. But the outside of it's dirty. Goodness gracious. How am I supposed to use that? When the outside of it's all dirty. I don't want to grab it, get my hands dirty. I have a clean lid. I'm just gonna wash it real quick. I'm gonna do this that way. I mean, besides, you don't know who's touched it in the store as well, right? So, I'm just gonna clean it. There we go, we're fine. There. Now we're gonna put this over the top. Maybe I'll wave it because it's a little warm still. But, doesn't that look delicious? I am so excited to have some cheesecake. And then as soon as it sets, then I'm gonna package it up. I'll cut it into like 6 slices. Keep 2 out and freeze 4. Because just in case my husband wants a piece after dinner. I'll say, well, this is what I made for dessert. If he says, never mind. Okay, I made brownies too. Just in case you didn't want to try the cheesecake, which I didn't. I don't think he will, but I could maybe get him to try a bite. He tried a bite of that Mexican style bruschetta yesterday, and it had tomatoes on it, and he could see the tomatoes, and he ate it and said it was good. So his tomato, not liking of the tomato might be. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Okay, so in with the pie. The pie is done. Pie is done. So we're done with that. Now we are going to move on to the brownies.